The most important thing in business is honesty, integrity, hard work, family, never forgetting where we came from. Thank you, Sean. See, you are what you are in this world. That's either one or two things. Either you're somebody or you're nobody. Be right back.
I swear, boy, I was coming bird, man, you just don't know. If I was coming to bird, you swear I hit the lotto. If I was coming to bird, most all night hit the door. If I was coming to bird, whipping up that yeah, yo. If I was coming to bird, bird. If I was coming to bird, bird. If I was coming to bird, you swear I hit the lotto. If I was coming to bird, most all night hit the door. If I was coming to bird, whipping up that yeah, yo. If I was coming to bird, bird. If I was coming to bird, bird. I ain't even gon' lie, I'm hustling 4 and 9. If I cop that chick in the spot, gon' be booming. Niggas gon' be copping, I'ma get you a good price. I'ma step on it once, so you can't say don't come bite. And if you do, boy, your wheel game fucked up. Playing gaming games, I'ma cut you off, bruh. I ain't got time for schemers, I got time for spinners. If you ain't got no word, I don't want you in my spot. Cause that's another way for you to make it high. I'm trying to get on quick, I ain't trying to get busted. I'm whip up about 20 cookies and sack up sauce and fix. I'm making plays, so you know I want a touchdown. Read rock sears, we up gain the truth. You better see me, the only time you will. I'm dropping off the package, or collecting money. Cause down in this game, boy, it's all about that money. If I was coming to bird, you swear I hit it lotto. If I was coming to bird, most all night hit the door. If I was coming to bird, whipping up that yeah, yo. If I was coming to bird, bird. If I was coming to bird, bird. If I was coming to bird, you swear I hit it lotto. If I was coming to bird, most all night hit the door. If I was coming to bird, whipping up that yeah, yo. If I was coming to bird, bird. If I was coming to bird, I don't wanna old school, give me that foreign shit. Cause if I'm copping that bird, I can afford that shit. I ain't gon' fix it up, I ain't tryna put crackers in my business. All I need is dark tin, some duck on spot, so I can hide the word and I can have the fire. And when I step out, your bitch gon' get wet. Cause she gon' fuck my swag. She see I got cash, and every nigga I hang with, I'ma plug him with the word. My uncle had the word, and he fixed up his bird. Black candy paint with the people inside. I'm not that flashy type, just give me that white, and I bet I'll make a couple G's in one night. Man, I'm a trapper, nigga, I'm not a pussy chaser. I drink my dog liquid, no chaser. I sleep 5 hours, I hustle 19. I'm a street grinder, man, I'm a street grinder. If I was coming to bird, you swear I hit the lotto. If I was coming to bird, most all night hit the door. If I was